Hello. Welcome. Today we are going to learn something very important. How to make an English sentence. This lesson is for complete beginners. If you know zero English, that is okay. This lesson is for you. I will go slowly. I will use simple words. And by the end of this video, you will make your first English sentence. Are you ready? Let's start. Every English sentence needs a verb. A verb is an action word. The most important verb for beginners is to be. To be has three forms. Am, is, are. I use am. I am a student. I am happy. I am from India. Repeat after me. I am a student. I am happy. I am from India. You use are. You are my friend. You are very kind. You are learning English. Repeat. You are my friend. You are very kind. He uses is. She uses is. He is my brother. He is tall. She is a teacher. She is happy. We and they use are. We are friends. We are students. They are happy. They are from England. The full chart. Listen and repeat. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. They are. Say it again. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. They are. Very good. Now you know the verb to be. Now let's make negative sentences. This is very easy. Just add the word not. I am happy. Becomes I am not happy. She is a teacher. Becomes she is not a teacher. We are students. Becomes we are not students. You can also use short forms. Is not equals isn't. Are not equals aren't. He isn't tall. They aren't at home. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I am not tired. She isn't a doctor. We aren't from England. They aren't happy. Excellent. Negative sentences are easy. Now questions. Yes and no questions. This is the rule. Move am, is, or are to the front of the sentence. You are happy. Becomes are you happy? You are a student. Becomes are you a student? He is your brother. Becomes is he your brother? She is a teacher. Becomes is she a teacher? And the answers. Are you a student? Yes, I am. Or no, I am not. Is she a teacher? Yes, she is. Or no, she isn't. Repeat. Are you happy? Yes, I am. Is he tall? Yes, he is. Are they students? No, they aren't. Very good. Now another important verb. Have and has. I, you, we, they use have. He, she, it uses has. I have a phone. You have a car. We have a dog. They have 2 children. Repeat. I have a phone. You have a car. We have a dog. He has a new job. She has long hair. My cat has green eyes. Repeat. He has a new job. She has long hair. Negative. I do not have a car. He does not have a bike. Question. Do you have a phone? Yes, I do. No, I do not. For action verbs, like eat, work, live, like, we use do and does for questions. I, you, we, they, use do. He, she, it, use does. Do you like English? Do you eat rice? Do you live here? Repeat. Do you like English? Do you eat rice? Does he work here? Does she like coffee? Does it rain here? Repeat. Does he work here? Does he like coffee? Answers. Do you like English? Yes, I do. Or no, I do not. Does she work here? Yes, she does. Or no, she does not. Now you know 5 sentence types. Positive. Negative. Question with be. Question with have. Question with do. That is everything a beginner needs. Let's practice. Repeat every sentence after me. I am a student. She is my teacher. We are happy. He is not here. Are you tired? I have a phone. Does she work here? They are from Japan. Is he your brother? Do you like English? Yes, I do. She is not a doctor. We have 2 cats. He has a new phone. Are they your friends? No, they are not. I am very happy today. She does not eat meat. Do you speak English? 20 sentences. All correct English. All very simple. Now your turn. Write 1 sentence in the comments. Any sentence. Write it below. I will read it and correct it. You just made your first English sentences. I am very proud of you. Next video, video 7, is numbers and time in English. You will learn to count to 1000. You will learn to tell the time. You will learn the days and months. Very simple. Very useful. Very important. And please subscribe. Every week I make a new simple English lesson just for beginners. See you in video 7. Goodbye.